What's up, guys? So I'm headed to Ross right now to try to see if I can find a blazer. I want to take a nice headshot photo for the website to put on the banner, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I can find something. I guess I'll go to like Ross, TJ Maxx, a couple of stores and just see what I can find. I have my camera on my dashboard. Don't know if it'll make it through this drive. We can try, but the way I be driving, Lord knows it will not survive the drive. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I decided to just go with this red shirt. I don't even know if it'll look good. We'll see. I typically would not wear anything like this. So yeah, in all honesty, I didn't really like that shirt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to another store. I'm hungry, so I'm about to go to Popeyes real quick. And then after Popeyes, I will go to a store called Rainbow. And then I should find something there. Then I gotta go back home, get the package that I left, go back to the post office, and then I have to get back to work for my job. I decided not to get Popeyes. I was like, I can just cook at home. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the grocery store after this, but I'm gonna try TJ Maxx, and after TJ Maxx, I'll try that other store. What do y'all think? I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just gonna go home and try on this. It's like a, I mean, they're sold separately. It's a black shirt and a blazer. We'll see. Okay. Now I'm going to the post office. This is hair that I am getting installed. The salon that I'm going to is like an hour away from home, and I just didn't feel like driving there just to drop off a package. So I'm gonna priority mail ship it to her. And then on Sunday, I'm getting my hair done, which I'm excited to do. Morning. I'm going to get my eyebrows done today. I freaking love my eyebrow tech. If you're in the D.C., Maryland, Virginia area and you need somebody to do your eyebrows, hit up, I think it's Energy Beauty. I have it on the screen. I absolutely love her. Super sweet, great vibes, and she literally takes her time. Like, I have never been to an eyebrow tech that sits and like maps out your eyebrows, draws out the shape, asks you if you're okay with it, and then goes in and waxes. And she uses like a super like light wax. It doesn't burn. It's very comfortable. Like, I just love the whole process. Love it all. So if you need somebody to do your eyebrows in the DMV area, I no longer go to nail salons. I go to estheticians, and Chelsea has done an amazing job thus far. Here's the before so y'all can see. I mean, they're not that bad, but since I'm getting my hair done, I just want to have my eyebrows done. I absolutely love my eyebrows. cleaned up, and look good. This is my best friend Brianna. Maybe you guys remember her from the last vlog episode. So I'm just gonna cornrow her hair, and
yeah, we're watching That's So Raven.
Yes. This is our life. 23 years old,
right.
watching Disney Plus on a Saturday. She's also my nail tech, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. So on the way to my hair appointment. I think I'm running a little bit later than I planned on running, but I should get there. I like to get to the hair appointments, you know, 15 minutes before I'm supposed to be there. So hopefully I can make that. I gotta stop and get gas. Something told me to get gas yesterday, and I was like, no, I have enough time. I should have enough time. Like, it's 7:45. My appointment is not until 9, so you know, I should get there in a full hour. All right, so I made it. It's actually 8:40, so I did good. Now I'm just waiting for the stylist. Okay, so I'm back from my hair appointment. I'm currently getting ready to take the headshot photo for the website. This is the outfit that I ended up picking up from, let me put you guys. This is the blazer and top that I ended up getting from TJ Maxx. I think